Welcome to our channel. If you want to block spam texts on T-Mobile to reduce unwanted messages and protect your privacy, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open the Messages app on your T-Mobile smartphone. Step 2. Find the spam text message you want to block. Step 3. Tap and hold on the message until a menu appears. Step 4. Select Block or Report Spam to prevent future messages from that number. Step 5. Alternatively, open the message, tap on the three-dot menu icon, and select Block or Report Spam. Step 6. Download the T-Mobile Scam Shield app from the App Store or Google Play Store for enhanced spam protection. Step 7. Open Scam Shield and enable Scam Block to automatically block known spam numbers. Step 8. Enable Scam ID to receive warnings when a potential spam call or text is incoming. Step 9. Visit the T-Mobile website and log into your account to activate additional spam blocking features. Step 10. Navigate to Scam Shield settings and enable all available protections to maximize spam filtering. Step 11. Report spam texts to T-Mobile by forwarding them to 77726, Spam for investigation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.